Number 12. Beheria Icon Tower, Pakistan. Height 300 meters, 62 floors. Number 11. Palace Royal, India. Height 320 meters, 88 floors. Number 10. Yugyong Hotel, North Korea. Height 330 meters, 105 floors. Number 9. Lotus Tower, Sri Lanka. Height 350 meters, 73 floors. Number 8. Alhambra Firdaus Tower, Kuwait. Height 413 meters, 77 floors.
Dried out tears of sorrow, lacking all emotion.
Number 7. Petronas Tower, Malaysia. Height 452 meters, 88 floors.
To a new tomorrow, moving with the motion, following the
Number 6. Landmark 81, Vietnam. Height 461 meters, 81 floors. Number 5. Taipai 101, Taiwan. Height 509 meters, 101 floors. Number 4. Lute World Tower, South Korea. Height 555 meters, floors 111. Number 3. Makkah Royal Clock Tower, Saudi Arabia. Height 601 meters, floors 120. Number 2. Shanghai Tower, China. Height 632 meters, 128 floors. Number 1. Burj Khalifa, UAE. Height 828 meters, 163 floors.